Howdy, DLL. I recently bought my first dbrand skin this week due to the quality of your products, consistently promoting their brand. How did your relationship with dbrand get started?
I wanted a custom skin for an Xperia Z2 or something like that. dbrand's head robot actually tells the story better than me because he remembers it a little better than I do. But basically, apparently, they like moved heaven and earth to get one of those phones for me because, let me see if I can find the original email chain. dbrand. Because like they were basically like just kind of a starting out brand. Oh, this is hilarious. I just found a vacation responder to dbrand. Can't reply to your email. Having a baby. Regarding dbrand custom Linus Tech Tips Xperia Z2 giveaway. So why did they reach out? Here's a to-do list I sent to myself. Here's a to-do list from me to Nick? That's just like stuff to do. Switch to Z2. Employee evaluation form. Man, this is wild. This is crazy. Patriot Project? What even is that?
Review Luke sample guide?
I don't know. Roomba script? Did I ever review a Roomba?
Channel super fun. What is the last word there? Gilly?
Yeah, Gilly.
Oh, yeah! I forgot about that whole
I spelled Gilly
episode.
wrong. This is great. Sorry. Old emails are hilarious.
I love doing that every once in a while.
Okay. Oh, okay. Here's the outreach. Oh, this is so funny. Dude, you've never heard dbrand this polite. Hey, guys. Hope this message finds you well.
Dude, this is old.
We're reaching out to see if you'd be interested in doing a giveaway of a custom Linus Tech Tips branded Xperia Z2. You can check out the different material types on our new website here. We've found that the Xperia Z2 is a prime candidate for our skins. The glass surfaces are prone to scratching, but they're also ideal canvases for textured skins. They apply easily and can be infinitely removed and reused. Oh, really? That must have been an old feature. If you're game, just let us know your delivery address and we'll get working on the custom skinned device. Talk to you soon. Signed, a robot. I said, that sounds appealing. Do you mind if I work the giveaway and dbrand messaging into a review of the Xperia Z2? It would be similar to how I did this one. And I linked our HTC
You're
One
also
M8.
way too formal. This is so old. Is this 2013?
2014. Hi, Linus. That would definitely work for us. Would the device be skinned throughout the entire review video? We'd obviously only ask that it is if you genuinely like the way the skin feels and the purpose it achieves.
Oh, so nice.
This is adorable.
To dbrand from Linus. The device would be skinned throughout. Linus.
Okay.
Perfect. Can you send over a vector file with your logo so we can get started? Also, do you have any preference in materials? And this is great.
So you were starting to lose some attention span near the end there.
Yeah.
K send email.
Those big single letter K energy.
I handed off to Ed. Yeah. Wow. This is crazy. So apparently I've heard the story told such that they like moved heaven and earth to make this happen because they were believed very strongly in like influencer marketing very, very early on. Like that's
way ahead of the
dbrand
curve.
did really well. They were way ahead. And like, I guess they reached out before they even like had one of these Xperia Z2 phones. I don't know why they reached out about the phone. Maybe I mentioned it on Twitter or something. I don't remember.
Oh.
But yeah, no, it started out very cordial and now it's devolved into what it is now. So,
So them sending you phones with skins on them to do like reviews on is been there from the entire start.
Yeah, since 2014.
Wow.
And they've been really good at like their product imagery and stuff, like even way back then. There's an Xperia Z2 with, their cool kind of leather looking one, and they used to have like a brushed metal one because that was cool back then, but it isn't now.
Couple more.
Oh, hold on. A robot from dbrand
I was going to
is
say, I
apparently
feel like this is from dbrand.
Oh no.
watching the show. Can be infinitely removed and reused. For what it's worth, this statement genuinely did apply specifically to the Xperia Z2 due to the glass back surface.
Yeah.
Of course.
Low surface energy bond between the adhesive and the non-porous glass surface. Okay, thank you very much for the clarification. Didn't care, didn't really ask, but you keep doing stickers, you absolute mad robots.
Proud of what they do, you know?
Yeah. It's like, too long, didn't read. I'm sorry to hear that, or good for you. Whatever.